Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I am MKB Captain and today we are unboxing the gaming mouse pad. So this pad is really cheap. You can buy it from Amazon, which is linked in the description. Go and check it out. So let's start the unboxing. The packaging is really good. On the front side, as you can see, the game character and the pad name is the Quick Pad, and some Chinese language information on the front and back side, as you can see. So this is the Quick Pad mouse pad and we are unboxing. So as you can see, this is my build. So I'm take aside this and look at this is our mouse pad, and it's really good and amazing design. As you can see, on the front side of this pad is a gaming character. Which game character is I don't know. If you know, comment below. So take a look this gaming pad. As you see, this is the mouse pad and its first impression of the pad. The material of this pad like a rubber, not too much hard rubber, but it's soft rubber and it's really good because I use a lots of mouse pad, but this is really different. And on the back side, as you see, this side is blacked color. Believe me guys, this mousepad is really different of my previous mousepad, and it's some good quality material design. I use my gaming mouse on the back side of this pads to test is this work, and yes, but not work like the normal front side. Work it, but it's slow. And also guys, check it out, my Logitech 402 gaming mouse unboxing video, link in the description. So guys, that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want to buy this mousepad, link in the description. Go and buy from the Amazon. If you're new into the channel, hit the subscribe button. I see you in my next video. Bye bye.